Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Cufflinks fam. It's been a while since we've done something like this.
A sit down.
Yeah, sit down and it's fun. Yeah, because you don't know we are fun.
Yeah. Inspirational.
We're real.
And you're educational.
Realize she never remember a little while ago what the tagline was.
No,
But big up Cufflinks fam. Tenants in the building.
Big ups, guys.
Yeah.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome back. We're happy to be here with you with another fun video.
If you're new to the channel,
we've missed doing this.
Yeah, we want you to just like, share, subscribe. Welcome to the family. We are at basically 13K.
Yes.
Who could it be
Grateful.
but God? Yeah?
So grateful.
Yeah. So, I saw this video on TikTok, and we did a little thing on our TikTok channel, stuff from the cuffs, but we're going to do an extended version, and it's a 2-part game. And first up, we're going to be having 5 different...
I'm not looking at your answer.
5 different things that we're going to ask the other person to guess what it is, only using questions. So she can ask questions and I will answer. And we're going to see who can do the most in the shorter time frame. So,
and by the way, guys, if you're on TikTok, make sure that you follow us on TikTok. Or Couples page is Stuff from the Cuffs. My page is Basilia B Cuff. And Brian's
my page.
Brian's page is BNC Valiant. Alright, so let's go. So Brian, you can start.
I must ask a question.
Yes.
Alright.
So we're going to put up the word on the screen. Should we? Or let them guess?
Yeah, we put up the word. We put up the word on the screen nearer to when it actually figured out. Is it something? Is it a food?
No.
Is it an object?
A big object.
Is it in this house?
No.
Is it in a school?
No.
How big is it?
Very big. You can't hold in the house.
A mountain?
No.
Is it something that can be slept in?
Yes.
A car?
Yes.
That's good. Alright, let's go. Next one. Is it colorful?
No.
Is it alive?
No.
Is it something that I love?
Yes.
Is it something that you love?
Yes.
Is it something that people on a whole love?
Not really.
Is it something that we both have in common?
It's not something to have in common.
A body part?
No.
An item of clothing?
No.
I don't even know what to ask next. Give me a clue.
It's something that people don't love but they need.
Water.
Yes. I helped him, so he'll never get this one.
No, I would get that quick if I wasn't smart.
Okay. Alright, next one.
Where can I find it?
Anywhere you are.
Me.
Where can you find it? When you're...
So I should make up something.
No, you can find it when you look up.
Sky?
No.
Oxygen.
No. Oxygen.
Clouds.
No.
When you look up. Stars.
No.
The moon.
No.
Sun.
Close.
A planet.
No.
What's close between sun, stars, moon?
You can look at
Satellite.
No, you can find it when you look to the west. When you look up to the west,
I don't even know where the west is. Up to the west. USA.
no,
Western countries.
no,
I don't know.
sunset.
I said the sun.
You said sun.
I said the sun.
No,
What
but
set?
that's no. That's why I said close.
Guys, I got it.
No, you didn't. Next
I was
one.
in the mind, I said the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But I say I can't that.
But that's you should have said it next time.
I don't even know. Guys, she not being fair enough. My one, you want to see my one easy.
But I thought mine
sun-
were easy.
the sun is
okay. It's not right, but okay. That's not the word I had. That's why I said close. I thought when I said west, you next time.
Is it something you can eat?
You swallow it.
Guys, this is a family channel, so don't go there. Don't go there.
You swallow it.
Ear.
No.
Yeah, you never swallow ear.
No.
Saliva.
No.
Water.
No.
It's something that you drink.
Yes.
So you couldn't say that when you say it. You see it? Juice.
No. Not juice.
Soda.
No.
Medicine.
Yes. How you know it says medicine?
Oh, you're a mom. And we've been giving the girls. We've been giving the girls medicine recently, guys. They haven't been well. Yeah. That's the last one?
No, next one.
One more?
One more. Go on.
Is it an object?
Yes.
Is it in the house?
Yes.
Is it in the room?
No.
Is it in the living room?
Yes.
TV?
No.
Couch?
Yes.
But you know, that's like 30 seconds. 5 of them in 30 seconds.
I'm sure.
Real quick. Yeah? Alright, so your turn now. Go.
Is it a body part?
Yes.
My bottom?
No. Can't say that on YouTube. I'm joking.
Breast?
You can't say that. No.
Lips?
See, just being called through body parts, ask more questions.
Okay. Is it a body part that you love?
Me? I love all body parts.
Yes, I know.
I love all body parts.
Is it on your upper body or lower body?
It's on your lower body.
Your knee?
No.
Your feet?
Yes.
Next. Alright, is it a food?
No.
Is it something that you like?
You're right there.
Is it something that can be eaten?
I guess to each his own. It's not something I eat.
Yam?
No.
Is it something that the girls eat?
No.
Is it something that I eat?
No.
Is it something that animals eat?
No. It can be eaten, but it's not something that people eat.
Is it something that termites eat?
I said no.
Is it grass?
No. Move away from eating. No.
Well, you say it can be eaten.
Anything can be
What
eaten.
does it start with?
No, please.
What does it
That's
start
not
with?
fair. That's not fair.
You never.
That's not fair.
What
Can't.
does it start with?
A letter of the alphabet.
The first few letters are.
Yeah, it's in the first 25.
Can be eaten, but you don't eat it. Saltfish?
No. Move away from the eating. Find another way of finding out.
Is it something that you find in the supermarket?
It is in the supermarket.
Which aisle of the supermarket? Baked products?
Every aisle. It's more in aisles where people are.
Trolley?
No.
Okay. It's more in aisles where people are. Sanitizer? Mask?
Who eat sanitizer and mask? It's not that far-fetched.
It's more in aisles where people are.
I never said it was a food here, guys. Just ask if it can be eaten.
Bag?
Nope.
I don't know.
It is on your person.
Sweat?
No.
Money?
So you just have money on you everywhere, every time.
So dumb.
No.
It's on my person.
Yeah, it's a part of you.
Hair?
Yes. Next one, come.
How much we gone?
Two.
Two mighty rock. Is it something that can hurt me?
Depends on how you use it, but no.
Is it something that can hurt you?
No.
Is it something that has ever hurt you?
Yes.
Iron.
No.
Is it something that has ever hurt
If you tell people say, "I lay down my iron and my liquor."
you? Gun?
No.
Is it something that you can use to do something?
Yes.
A knife?
Nope.
Is it something that you've ever used before?
Yes.
Is it something that is black?
Sometimes.
Is it something that's white?
Sometimes. No, man, I'll go back.
Is it something that... A hammer?
Nope.
Is it something that you use to fix things?
Nope.
Is it something that you use to cook?
No.
Is it something that you... You answer them just a no, no, no. I mean,
Your
always
question
give you
is
some
just no.
hint.
I asked for a hint. I'll tell you what.
Give me a hint.
Bria has one.
A tablet?
No.
Bria have. Bria has
She has
one.
several of them.
Doll?
No.
Car?
No.
Toy car?
No.
Does Bella have one?
A small one. Or two, yeah.
A bag?
Which bag?
A school bag?
You know, we enough. Two more. Let's go.
My time for ask question.
You're a journalist first. Get it.
Is it pink?
No.
Is it green?
No.
Is it outside?
No.
Is it inside?
It's inside and outside.
Where inside is it?
Many rooms.
Window?
No.
Curtain?
No.
Grill?
No.
Where in the room is it?
In our room? It's not in our room.
Where in which room is it?
The living room.
Door?
More often than not, it's in the living room. It can be wherever we are too, but it's always in the living room.
Wi-Fi?
Close.
Internet?
Close.
Cable?
No.
TV?
No.
Fire stick?
No.
The extension?
Nope.
It's in the living room most.
And it can be wherever we are.
Phone?
No. Close.
Charger?
No.
It's in the living room. And Jesus?
It's something on the phone.
On on it? Phone case? On the inside of it? Is there an app? Netflix?
No.
TikTok?
No.
Facebook?
No.
Instagram?
No.
Flashlight?
No.
Picture?
No. Picture than that?
Clock?
No.
Time? It's on the phone? It's an app on the phone? Camera?
No.
An app on the phone? Google Maps?
No.
Email?
No. Just gonna call it all apps now, right? Instead of asking a question about the app, right?
What kind of app is it? Is it a social media app?
Yes. See if you did ask
What
question.
me say all night already?
No.
Twitter?
No.
Zoom?
No.
LinkedIn?
No.
Netflix?
No.
What do you start with?
Letter of the alphabet.
Which other app that? YouTube?
Yes. She miss your YouTube. Guys, she miss you.
So what are you saying about it mostly
Okay,
being in the living room from last night?
Because the computer is in the living room. So YouTube is going to be in the living room. The phone is not in the living room. Alright, one more.
No, that's not a good one.
One more.
Guys, you
One
be the
more.
judge. That's not a good
One
one.
more.
That is not a good one.
One more.
Is it white?
No.
Is it black?
No.
Is it big?
No.
Is it small?
Depending on you.
Depending on me, where on me?
Depending on the person.
Where on the person?
On their parts.
Where on their parts? Which part of their body?
I can't tell you which exact part. That's going to be too easy. The upper body.
Muscles?
No.
Chest?
No.
Head?
No.
Lips?
No. You're just asking what the parts are, whatever. You never ask if it's a part.
It's a body part?
No.
It's a thing that you add to your body?
Yes.
Shirt? Blouse?
No.
Shirt?
Yes. Specifics.
T-shirt?
No.
Work shirt?
No.
Church shirt?
No.
Where do you wear it to?
Out.
Going out shirt?
No. It's a specific shirt. Alright, it's a specific shirt associated with me.
What? Your jersey?
No.
Your BMT shirt?
No.
Branded shirt?
No.
Specific shirt associated? Your burgundy shirt?
You still lose time.
Oh my god, guys, we can't do the next part of this video because this part is so long.
Yeah. Alright, let's do even 3 items. Alright.
No.
Tell me which item.
Alright. I want you to form the shape of this.
No, you must tell me what I am forming.
Oh, okay. Go ahead. Of something in the kitchen? Fork?
No.
Spoon?
Yes. The curve. It's like
What is that?
the ladle type of.
Oh, okay. Right. This one's too easy.
Umbrella. Unicorn.
Unicorn in our kitchen?
You never said it's in the kitchen.
I said in the kitchen.
No, you were asking for mine. Light.
No.
Stove. What's that? In which kitchen? Our kitchen? Cylinder.
No.
Pot.
Close?
Pressure cooker pot.
No.
Which pot that? The pot cover that.
Yes.
Pot rice
cover.
cooker. Or
You
the
just said pot cover.
Oh.
You see, he's in the bottom. Alright, your turn. Formula?
No.
Is it shaking? Or is it just shaking? The blender,
No.
the air fryer,
No.
the tap,
No.
the fridge.
No. No.
Maybe you just look like a piece of bread. That's what you are?
No. Paper towels. I'm not. Look how we
That
look
look
alike.
like no paper
Look how we look
towel.
alike.
That look like no
Your
paper
turn.
towel.
Fork.
No.
Fork. Are you changing it? Fork. There's nothing else in here that don't look like that.
No.
Fork. This flower is right here, so.
No.
So you change from that to this now.
Hold on. Let me start again.
See, guys, see why I don't play.
This is what I meant.
Greater.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Your turn. What is that? This, the bottom of my sink where water run out. What else? The tap?
True that.
The kettle?
No.
Oil bottle?
No.
The jug? The pot? Finish?
Go to it away. Go to it
Don't you
away.
tell me the pot? A cup?
A cup. Yeah.
How does that look like a cup?
You got it though. Last
I'm
one.
just running out of options. Alright.
There's a next bag there, mama.
Yeah, next one.
Look on top of the bag. Fork.
No.
Cup. Teacup.
No.
Egg container.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, so guys, it's been a while, but the more things change, the more they remain the same. Still your undefeated, undisputed champion.
Don't you have one to do?
Team B Sizzle. Team B Sizzle in the building. Team Brian. Don't know, we got this. We got this. I hope you laughed as much as we did. I hope you had some fun. Sometimes you just need to let out your hair or let down your hair and just relax
Yeah, let down yours.
on a weekend. You know, mine is going, but some ways it's growing, right? So that's it. You just find some things to do with your family, your loved one, your friends. Just have fun. Yeah, COVID's still a keep. So in the safety of your home or in your group settings, you can have some fun. Yeah, trust me. It gets you thinking, but it gets you having fun.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Winner, chicken dinner!
Before you go, remember if you're new, make sure that you subscribe and be a part of the Cuffings family. See you soon.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In the world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.